If you're still reaching for store-bought Pollo Asado seasoning, this is your sign to stop. This homemade blend comes together in just 5 minutes and delivers that authentic Mexican-style citrus and spice flavor made to actually stick to your chicken. You can get all the ingredients and directions from the description below. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of salt, followed by 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder, creating a strong, savory base for the seasoning. Next, add 2 teaspoons of paprika, along with 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder, giving the blend warmth, color, and gentle heat. Now go in with 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin and 1½ teaspoons of dried oregano, bringing that classic earthy depth Pollo Asado is known for. Add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, balancing spice with just a touch of sweetness. For brightness, mix in 1 teaspoon of lemon peel powder and 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, which lifts the entire seasoning with fresh citrus notes. Then I go with ½ teaspoon of turmeric and ½ teaspoon of smoked paprika to give our blend that color, warmth, and a subtle smoky layer. And finally, if you like a little extra heat, finish with a ¼ teaspoon of cayenne pepper, completely optional. Now that everything's inside the plate, just give this a good mix until everything comes together nicely. If you're still watching this video, that probably means you're really into bold, homemade flavors like this. So don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves good seasoning, and subscribe to our channel. Also, tap the bell icon so you never miss a SpiceRally recipe again. Here you go! Your homemade Pollo Asado seasoning is ready. This recipe makes about 1/4 cup of seasoning, enough to coat roughly 1 pound of chicken. Just use it as a dry rub, add a little oil if you like, maybe a splash of lime or orange juice, and let it rest for about 30 minutes before cooking. If you have any leftover seasoning, or want to prepare it ahead of time, just keep it in a tightly sealed container in a cool, dry spot. This way, it will stay fresh and full of flavor for up to 6 months. I really hope you give this a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments what you cooked with it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another recipe.